Why, hello from Saratoga Springs. We had some Disney magic happen today, and we were supposed to be in a normal type room. I forget what they call it, but I think it was the deluxe studio we were supposed to be in. And when we got in, I asked if that was in the renovated room section. And we haven't been here since 2009 for Saratoga Springs. So the lovely cast member Kathy worked some magic. Not only did she get us in a renovated room, she got us in a 1-bedroom suite. So thank you so much, Kathy. Oh my goodness. And it's perfect that her name was Kathy, because I miss Mama right now. So I wish Mama were with us. But we are going to do a quick room tour. Room 2203. So let's get started.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
You walk in and you have this lovely mirror with this table to put stuff, and you can hang your masks over here if you're gonna remember them, or we've been watching all the bubble vlogs and they usually put it here, or the doors had it different, or like here to remind yourself you need the mask to step out. So changing times. But you walk in, this is locked. Yeah, that's locked. And you have this adorable artwork on the wall with these little horses in their hats and hidden Mickeys. New temperature. And we'll come back to this gorgeous main section in a minute. I'm gonna go show you the bathroom. You have dun 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 a laundry machine. So you have a washer and dryer, and they give you a basket, and very sweet, they give you detergent. Okay, you open this door up and you got a walk-in shower. So you pull that. You walk in and you get the shower head right there. You get the shampoo, conditioner, and the sea salt body wash and the soap. And then you step out and it looks like a waterfall, sort of like the Pop Century doors. Then you have this little single sink with lotion and facial soap, towel, and me. So that's adorable that you get that little sink. And the most important, the commode, the queen's throne or the king's throne, depending on who you have. And you have a door for that separately. So if you see, you have a door here, you have a door here, and you have a door here. So it allows, if someone wants to just be doing makeup, someone can be using the bathroom right here. So you get around. All right, we're gonna go through, close that door, and come into this section. Now, if you didn't want to be in that room, you have this door that close off, and you have this lovely bathtub. Oh my goodness, this reminds me of the Animal Kingdom DVC room, the 1-bedroom with the tub like that. Gorgeous. I don't know if it has jets. I don't think it does, but still, I don't know, maybe, but gorgeous. Excited. Got towels, soap, these little drawers for storage, and they give you body lotion and face wash again, towel, and then we went to Publix before this and picked up hand soap, liquid hand soap, because It's during COVID times, so you need that. We also have lots of hand sanitizer, but we wanted liquid hand soap. Another storage, and then a lot of storage down here to put your makeup bags and hair dryer, all those goodies. And you get this gorgeous vanity mirror, ladies and gentlemen. You step in here and you have a closet with extra pillows and blankets, hangers, vacuum cleaner, safe, like that. And ta-da, a full-length mirror. So this is our Epcot outfit. And nothing behind the door. So sorry if y'all are getting a little dizzy. It's a lot to see. I'm excited. Look at this gorgeous carpet. So we are about to step in the master bedroom. Ta-da! It is a king-size bed. Gorgeous pillow. Oh my goodness. You got a fan, and that fan lights up, and you can dim the light too, which is amazing. And if you see these pictures right here, I spy several familiar faces. Then we have these nice lights right here, which I don't know if it went on or not, I don't know. But you got some plugs and USB plugs. And then you got the Bible in that drawer storage. And seriously, y'all, the carpet is giving me Grand Floridian vibes, so I am so excited to be here. Lovely mirror. And this room is bright, so it's stunning. Thing I love about this dresser is more USB plugs and plugs right there. Electric outlets. Gorgeous big TV. Huge drawers. So 1, 2, 3, 6, and then that one. And then you can tell they cleaned the soap in the shower and they cleaned the remote. Gorgeous. Beautiful lamp right over here. And before I show you the view, Mama, I can just see Mama sitting in her chair, just like Polynesian. We lucked out. So excited. Look at that gorgeous quiet pool right over here. I only see a couple of people in it, so we will have to go check that out. And we can walk to Disney Springs at this location, so excited. So this is what the room looks like. Donald and Daisy, and then Pluto, and then welcome to Saratoga Springs. Aww. Well, that fan feels like heaven. So, Mr. James, I'm gonna need some help showing the next portion of the tour.
Good.
All right. So, you come in and you have this little kitchen area with pull-out chairs and the sofa right there. I'll get to the kitchen in a second, but you have Mickey Mouse, Saratoga Springs. You have a light switch and some more plugs, a phone, and a guide to the magic. Now, Mr. James, is there more than one bed in this place?
Well, I understand there's a Murphy bed.
Yes.
Which I think is this pull-out thing from the wall. And then this here may be a pull-out
Yes,
sleeper
so
sofa.
let's
So
see
it's
this
really
one.
good for family groups. Should we try this one?
Yes.
All right.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, how
Very
precious.
nice.
It is
Very nice.
Goofy reading on a horse, and you got that gorgeous sky right there. Oh, beautiful. And
That's
it
a
looks
cheerful.
comfy.
Nice bed. Yeah.
They've come a long way.
very nice. Pressure hydraulic lifts on this thing so it doesn't slam shut.
It's dark in here. I don't know. Okay, and then we are going to come into this section and we are going to move this. It is storage, so if you open the other end, you can put things in there, but we're just going to scoot her down.
Put this down.
Yep. Alright.
With this, yeah.
And Mr. Jones, let me show.
Okay.
We got an award for Old Mo. Alright, we are gonna grab this by the hand.
1, 2, 3.
You can see it going down.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
It's binding.
Right, well, something went wrong there.
Cut.
It's a little stuck. Don't know what happened, but I will show you the gorgeous artwork. It is a lovely Victorian house with
That
Mickey
is.
and Minnie and Pluto, my favorite, and Goofy's bird watching. Aw, and Donald and Daisy. Beautiful. Alright, maybe we... Don't sound too good. Got a lot of floor space. I mean, look at this. You got floor space galore. Mr.
Just
James is
raise this
demonstrating. That's
is-
our table.
Again, it has hydraulic lift assists, so for a table,
Yeah.
really nice. So you don't crack your knee on this side of it.
Mm-mm.
Very, very nice.
Very nice.
Really amenable to family groups here.
Yes.
This is great.
And
Beautifully done.
it's 127, 84 degrees. Opening in the 70s tonight. Not bad. And we have Epcot reservations. And they are open till 7. So we gotta decide when to do that. And Disney Springs. And lastly, but not least, this was all possible, like I mentioned to Kathy. And she is so sweet. I told her, she found out we lived in Virginia, so she asked about Colonial Williamsburg. And I told her, usually we do my birthday here, and in August we went to Colonial Williamsburg, so she gave me this to celebrate a little late birthday. You have 364 days of the year for your unbirthday, so we're celebrating.
Complete kitchen, dishwasher,
Oh, now I got a tour guide, so, okay, let's,
full-size fridge,
a whirlpool, Mr. James, a
oven,
whirlpool.
broiler, a 5-burner stove, microwave.
Why, that looks like ours.
It
Similar.
looks similar.
We have 2 doors that you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
dual cook. And then microwave. And then in here we got glass cups. We got bowls, cups. Just gonna open all of them. Plates, wine glasses. And it tells you if this helps. Welcome home, since this is DVC for Disney Vacation Club members. So if you pause it, you can look all on here to see if you need to bring anything or if they provide it. We got coffee mugs and more plates. And then we're gonna go over here and we got some cooking utensils. We have a coffee pot provided with tea, coffee cups, coffee, creamer, stirs. And then you have a dishwasher, the sink. Do we got detergent, Mr. James?
Yes, they think of everything.
Oh, how nice. Hand dish soap with little
Actually,
things.
then down below in those cabinets, they have paper towels.
Let's see. That is right. They got paper towels again with more of that. You could just stay here and cook all day if you wanted.
I could set up shop.
And then a little toaster for Mr. James because I can't with being gluten-free. Anything above? Nope.
Let's see.
I think it's decorative.
Panels.
Yep. And then we open the freezer. Smells new. There we go. Oh, cheese from Publix with Mr. James.
They're so thoughtful.
Forgot to show, here's the patio. So you step outside. Look at the attention to detail on the chairs.
Goodness.
Saratoga Springs. So SS Resort. And you got a nice place to sip your coffee. And just, oh, it's a beautiful day out. So looking over here, you got paths, a little swamp, and the gorgeous pool, which we will be visiting at some point. And if you can tell, that's water right over there with Disney Springs. So that is going to do it for this room tour of a 1-bedroom renovated room at Saratoga Springs. We are in, which building section is this, Mr. James?
This is, I believe, Congress Park.
Congress Park. So that is a gorgeous location because you get to see the quiet pool and you get to walk to Disney Springs. So if you're thinking of doing this, I would highly recommend this location if you don't mind a further walk to the food court. It is a little farther away because Saratoga Springs is just huge. It has a golf course. It's just, so if you don't mind walking, check this out. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope y'all are having a magical day. See y'all next time. Don't forget to tell your friends and family to click subscribe for more Disney videos. Bye.
Bye.